I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening the video's comment field. This is where you'll add a sticker. Once the comment box is visible, tap the emoji/GIF area to reveal more options, because stickers usually sit alongside them. Make sure you see a dedicated sticker icon. If not, the feature might not be available for that video or account. Now tap the sticker icon to open the sticker picker and get ready to choose one that matches your tone and message. Once the sticker picker is open, scan categories or type a keyword to narrow results. This saves time and finds a relevant image. When you tap a sticker, preview it in the comment box. Many pickers allow resizing or rotating so your sticker fits the message. Add text before or after the sticker, or choose reply to place it under a specific comment because context matters. Make sure the sticker aligns with community rules and that it visually conveys the tone you want. When you're happy with the sticker and any accompanying text, tap Post or Send to publish your comment. Then verify it appears correctly under the video. If the sticker doesn't show, refresh the page or restart the app to clear temporary glitches. Make sure your app is updated because new features require the latest version. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall the app and use YouTube's feedback or report a problem tool so engineers can investigate. That's your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.